This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going to discuss about voluntary health agencies in India. This will be discussed in the following section: introduction, advantages and limitations of voluntary agencies, its function, and Voluntary Health Association of India, National Voluntary Health Agencies, International Voluntary Health Agencies in India, and the references. First, coming to introduction, a voluntary organization is a non-political, non-profit based organization. These are all non-profit organizations, NPOs. It has an autonomous body consisting of group of members which holds meetings periodically. Voluntary health agencies are mainly concerned with the provision of healthcare services. Funds are collected from private sources. Membership is free, and the sale of materials will be done through these voluntary health agencies, philanthropists, and the government. The main advantages are these voluntary agencies are better accepted. Community participation is more when compared to governmental organizations, and the program is more flexible. And coming to limitations, the services does not reach the needy people, and in various areas where they are required, and they don't run according to modern principles and techniques of management. Next one is function regarding voluntary health organization. They supplement the work of government and help in pioneering. That means research in various healthcare problems and activities. Can contribute to IEC activities. What is IEC? Am I audible? Anyone can answer what is IEC? The voluntary health agencies can put up demonstration and experimental projects. They can guide and augment the work of governmental agencies, advance legislation by mobilizing public opinion on health matters. This one, Voluntary Health Association in India, is a non-profit organization, registered society formed in 1970. Federation of 27 state voluntary health associations linking together 4,500 healthcare institutions and community health programs. The voluntary health agency in India, its primary objective is to promote community health and to provide social justice and human rights to the people of India. And VHI works for people-centered policies and their effective implementation. This voluntary health organization tries to achieve these goals. The main goals through campaigns and policy research, advocacy, need-based training, publications and audiovisuals, dissemination of information, running of health and development projects in difficult areas. Coming to the organizational structure of VHAI, it is governed by an executive board consisting of 11 eminent persons elected democratically by its general body. Its president was Dr. Bilkis Jamila, There is a decentralized management system headed by the chief executive. An evaluation of PHI takes place every 5 years. Need-based training programs were organized regularly for upgrading the skills and the capacities of the staff. Next, coming to Independent Commission on Development and Health in India. This VHI has facilitated the setup of ICDHI in 1995 as a people's initiative to assess the current health and development status. It has following issues like Task Force on State of Vector-borne Diseases Control Program in India and Future Challenges, restructuring the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to create a new Department of Public Health, which will look into prevention, promotion, and disease control aspect, National Rural Health Mission. Next, coming to National Voluntary Health Agencies. First one is Hindkosh Nivaran Sangh. It was founded on 27th January 1925 with the name of Indian Council of British Empire Leprosy Relief Association and later changed to HKNS, Hindkosh Nivaran Sangh, in 1950 with headquarters located in Delhi. The primary activities of this Hindkosh Nivaran Sangh were financial assistance to leprosy homes and clinics and health education to the patients suffering with leprosy, conducting training courses of 9 months duration for physiotherapy technicians at leprosy training centers. Mainly there are 5 leprosy training centers in India: Naini, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, Purulia, and West Bengal. And it mainly conducts research and field investigations into leprosy, publication of quarterly Indian Journal of Leprosy and a bi-monthly news bulletin, Kust Vinashak for leprosy workers and the general public. Production and distribution of leprosy seals to create awareness about leprosy, and it helps other organizations in raising funds for their work through the sale of these seals. And Anti-Leprosy Day was observed on 30th January every year. Its main objective was to create mass awareness about leprosy. It organizes All India Leprosy Workers Conference and Regional Leprosy Workers Conferences in collaboration with the state branches and other voluntary organizations. It maintains a house called Shanti Illam at Vellore, Tamil Nadu, where leprosy patients who come for surgical treatment at the Christian Medical College and Hospital Vellore are provided free boarding and lodging facilities. Running of 2 mobile leprosy treatment units in 2 districts of Delhi with funds provided by Government of India. Coming to the awards conferred by Hindkosh Nivaran Sangh. For promotion of field research for medical officers, 3 awards will be given. For carrying a cash prize of rupees 10,000 for each. For best field practice workers, 10 awards will be given. For each getting 5,000 rupees. And Dr. Dharmendra Award for Leprosy Research in India, carrying a cash prize of 1 lakh, a plaque and a citation. Awards conferred by Government of India through the Hindkosh Nivaran Sangh were Indian Leprosy Association. It was now called as Indian Leprosy Association. 1 best state leprosy officer carrying a cash prize of 15,000 and 1 best non-government organization NGOs carrying a certificate and medallion. Next, coming to other voluntary health agency, National Voluntary Health Agency in India, that is Indian Council for Child Welfare. It was established in 1952 and affiliated with International Union for Child Welfare, test state and district councils, and main aims are development of children physically, mentally, spiritually, and socially in a healthy and normal manner with freedom and dignity. This Indian Council for Child Welfare Trust was formed to create and manage the funds. Coming to the activities of ICCW, it advocates the children's rights, provides crutches for children for working and ailing mothers, training programs for child care workers, and sponsorship for school education of unprivileged children, that is minority caste, and projects for street and working children, scrutiny of adoption cases, and rehabilitation of abandoned children. Institutional and daycare services for differently able children, programs for children in different circumstances, programs with special focus on the girl child, education centers and support services, honoring children for bravery, honoring child artists, and national integration camps, adventure camps. Next, coming to other one, that is Tuberculosis Association of India. Was established in the year 1939. Headquarters were in New Delhi and had all the it has branches in all the states. Coming to the activities of Tuberculosis Association of India, it will conduct a SEAL campaign every year to raise funds and provide training programs for doctors and health workers in anti-tuberculosis work, and promotes health education, promotes consultations and conferences. Coming to institutions under Tuberculosis Association of India, there are 4 institutions mainly. That is, the first one is Tuberculosis Center in New Delhi, and Lady Linlithgow Sanatorium at Kasauli, and King Edward VII Sanatorium at Dharmapur, and Tuberculosis Hospital at Mehrauli. Next, coming to the other one, that is Family Planning Association of India. It was established in 1949. Headquarters were located in Mumbai, with all over branches all over India. Coming to the activities, it runs family planning clinics with grants from government, provides family welfare services, that is mainly MTP and sterilization, conducts mobile camps, and conducts training programs for healthcare workers, with 2 regional training centers in Hyderabad and Gwalior, and educates the community on population control and prevention of STDs, and organizes seminars and conferences, publishes quarterly journals related to family welfare, gives financial assistance to other NGOs, and Parivar Pragati Pariyojana community development activities. Next, coming to Central Social Welfare Board, it is an autonomous organization under the General Administrative Control of Ministry of Education, organized by the Government of India in August 1950. Main activities were surveying the needs and requirements of voluntary welfare organizations in India, promoting social welfare organizations on a voluntary basis, and it provides financial aid, initiated the family and child welfare services in rural areas for the welfare of women and children, where social education, literacy classes, distribution of milk is promoted, along with the organization of crutches and providing maternal aid. Industrial cooperative scheme. In this scheme, women of lower middle class and urban areas are employed and given salary. Coming to the next one, Kasturba Memorial Fund, which was created in commemoration of Kasturba Gandhi in 1944, has a fund of nearly 1 crore rupees. Mainly, it acts on improving health of rural women. Bharat Sevak Samaj, formed in 1952 as a non-political and non-official organization, that is, non-governmental organization. Main objective was to achieve health by the actions and efforts of people, that is, the improvement of sanitation in villages. All India Women's Conference, it's the women's welfare organization established in 1926. It runs MCH clinics and adult education centers and family planning clinics. Next one is All India Blind Relief Society, established in 1946, functioning for the relief of the blind. It organizes ophthalmic camps and coordinates with the other organizations. Next, coming to international voluntary health agencies. Main and foremost one is Indian Red Cross Society, which was established in 1920 with 400 branches all over India. National headquarters. Its main headquarters were located in New Delhi, and that headquarters contained blood bank, disaster management center, and 6 regional warehouses, Central Training Institute in Haryana, home for disabled servicemen in Bangalore, vocational training centers in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, health centers in 4 districts of Uttarakhand. See this picture. In this, India is divided into 4 zones: North Zone, East Zone, West Zone, and South Zone of Bengal. This here mainly services provided by Indian Red Cross Society will be shown. Coming to the activities of the Red Cross, main activities: disaster relief and preparedness. First, it was started because of the people who suffered a lot because of wars. That's why its main activity is disaster relief and preparedness. Next one is tracing services. It was mainly provided to families separated due to conflicts, disaster, or other situation of humanitarian need, and refugees and asylum seekers, migrants, and separated children. Supply of milk and medical supplies to schools, maternity and child welfare centers, family planning services, maternal and child health welfare services, which provide technical advice and financial aid. St. John's Ambulance Association, training for first aid, home nursing, etc. Junior Red Cross. Main activities for upliftment of villages, provision of first aid, control of outbreaks of the disease, and promotion of international understanding and cooperation. Next one is Rockefeller Foundation. It was endowed by Mr. John D. Rockefeller in 1913 for promotion of public health and medical education, improvement of agriculture, family planning, and rural training centers. It helped in the implementation of control of hookworm infections through sanitary latrines. Main activities of Rockefeller Foundation were: it mainly helped in the establishment of All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health in Kolkata and All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, and etc. Sponsors educational visits for advance in training of health professionals of India to other countries, and sponsors visits of specialists from USA. Provides grant in aid for carrying out researches. Next one is Ford Foundation. Active in the development of rural health services and family planning. Established training centers in Singur, Poonamalle, and Nazargarh to provide training to medical staff. mainly helped in the research cum action projects with improvement of environmental sanitation. Kolkata Water and Drainage Scheme helped establish the National Institute of Health and Family Welfare. Mainly by Ford Foundation. Next, coming to CARE. CARE means Cooperative for American Relief Everywhere. Now renamed as Center for Assistance and Relief Everywhere. It also abbreviated as CARE. Largest independent non-profit based organization founded in 1945 in North America by the American donors to send food to people in Europe during Second World War. It began its implementation in India in 1950. Its main activities are school lunch program, integrated child development service scheme, educational vocational training, distribution of garden tools, pump sets and seeds for vegetable gardens in schools, and improvement of medical care by providing medical equipment, supporting other projects such as nutritional and health projects and reproductive and family welfare projects. These are the references. Thank you. Now please attend your roll calls. Roll number 1. Can you hear me? Roll number 1. Please attend your roll calls. Roll number 1. Roll number 1. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, ma'am.
Please attend your roll calls. Roll number 1, 2, 3,
3 present, ma'am. 3 present, ma'am.
4,
4 present, ma'am.
5,
5 present, ma'am.
6,
6 present, ma'am.
7,
7 present, ma'am.
8. Roll number 8, 9,
9 present, ma'am. 9 present,
10,
ma'am. 10 present,
10,
ma'am.
11,
10 present, ma'am.
11 present, ma'am.
12,
11 present, ma'am.
12 present, ma'am. 12
13,
present, ma'am.
13 present, ma'am. 13 present,
14,
ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18,
18 present, ma'am.
19,
16 present, ma'am.
19 present, ma'am.
20,
21 present, ma'am.
20 present, ma'am.
21,
20 present,
21 present,
ma'am.
ma'am. 22 present, ma'am. 22
23,
present, ma'am.
23 present, ma'am.
24,
24 present, ma'am.
25,
25 present, ma'am.
26,
26 present, ma'am.
27,
Ma'am,
27
14 present.
present, ma'am.
27, 28,
20 present, ma'am. Ma'am,
29,
29 present, ma'am.
30, roll number 30,
31 present, ma'am.
32,
present, ma'am. 32 present, ma'am.
33,
33 present, ma'am.
34,
34 present, ma'am.
35,
36 present, ma'am.
37,
37 present, ma'am.
38, 39,
30.
39, 40, 40, 41,
41 present, ma'am.
42,
42 present, ma'am.
43,
43 present, ma'am.
44,
44 present, ma'am.
45,
44 present, ma'am.
48 present, ma'am.
46, 46,
46 present, ma'am.
47,
47 present, ma'am.
48,
48 present, ma'am.
49,
49 present, ma'am.
50,
49 present.
okay, 50,
50 present, ma'am.
51,
51 present,
50
ma'am.
present, ma'am.
52, 52,
52 present, ma'am. 52
53,
present, ma'am.
53 present, ma'am.
54, 55,
55 present, ma'am.
56,
56 present, ma'am.
57, 58,
58 present, ma'am.
59,
59 present, ma'am.
60,
60 present, ma'am.
61, 62,
62 present, ma'am.
63, 64, 65,
65 present, ma'am.
66,
66 present, ma'am.
67,
67 present, ma'am.
68, 69,
69 present, ma'am.
70, 71,
71 present, ma'am.
72, 73,
73 present, ma'am.
74,
74 present, ma'am.
75,
75 present, ma'am.
76,
76 present, ma'am.
77,
77 present, ma'am.
78,
78 present, ma'am.
79,
79 present, ma'am.
80, 81,
81 present, ma'am.
82,
82 present, ma'am.
83,
83 present, ma'am.
84,
84 present, ma'am.
85,
85 present, ma'am.
86,
86 present, ma'am.
87, 88,
88 present.
89,
80.
89, 90, 91,
91 present, ma'am.
92,
92 present, ma'am.
93,
93 present.
93,
Present, ma'am.
94,
94 present, ma'am.
95, 96,
96 present, ma'am.
97,
97 present, ma'am.
98, 99,
99 present, ma'am.
100,
100 present, ma'am.
101,
101 present, ma'am.
102,
102 present, ma'am. 102 present, ma'am.
103, 104,
104 present, ma'am.
105,
105 present, ma'am.
106,
106 present, ma'am.
107,
107 present, ma'am.
108,
108 present, ma'am.
109,
109 present, ma'am.
110, 111,
111
112,
112 present, ma'am.
113,
112 present,
113
ma'am.
present, madam.
114,
113 present, madam.
114 present, ma'am.
115,
115 present, ma'am.
116, 116, 117, 118,
present, ma'am.
118,
present, ma'am.
119,
present, ma'am.
okay, 119,
119 present, ma'am. 119 present,
120,
ma'am.
120 present, ma'am.
121,
121 present, ma'am.
122,
120 present, ma'am.
123, 124,
124 present, ma'am.
125,
125 present, ma'am.
126, 126, 127, 128,
128 present, ma'am.
129,
129 present, ma'am.
130,
130 present, ma'am.
131,
131 present, ma'am.
132,
132 present, ma'am.
133,
133 present, ma'am.
134,
134 present, ma'am.
135, 136, 137,
Present, ma'am.
138,
138 present, ma'am.
139, 140,
140 present, ma'am.
141,
141 present, ma'am.
142, 143,
143 present, ma'am.
144,
144 present, ma'am.
145,
145 present, ma'am.
146,
146 present, ma'am.
147,
147 present, ma'am.
148,
Present, ma'am.
149, 150,
150 present, ma'am.
151,
151 present, ma'am.
152, 153,
153 present, ma'am.
154,
153.
154 present, ma'am.
87 present. Ma'am,
1 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 38 present, ma'am.
44 present. 14 present, ma'am.
1 present,
30
ma'am.
present, ma'am.
38 present.
87 present, ma'am.
14 present, ma'am.
1
Ma'am,
present,
38 present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
14
Okay,
present,
38 present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
28 present.
1 present, ma'am.
14 present, ma'am.
40 present, ma'am.
111 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 38 present, ma'am.
28 present.
142 present, ma'am.
1 present, ma'am.
1 present.
142 present, ma'am.
14
89
present.
present, ma'am.
30 present, ma'am.
126 present, ma'am.
40 present,
142
ma'am.
present, ma'am.
89 present, ma'am.
142 present, ma'am.
82 present, ma'am.
89 run ఇది.
89, ma'am. 89 present, ma'am.
142 present, ma'am.